Hey guys, today I'm showing you this UpBrands stretchy lizards. So this we received as a sample for test and try, and let's just open the box. So first impression, it comes in a nice zipper pouch where you can have this all these different colors of the lizards. These lizards are individually wrapped, so it is good to give as a birthday gift or as a stuffy or as a stuffer. And you can see like this is a stretchy that you can just stretch to a level, a very nice stretchy condition, and the quality that it can really get stretched to a level. So it's very nice, and the feel is real, like the material and the stretchy thing, like you can see from the hands, from this lengthy things, and then the tail. So this comes in a different colors, and I will show you the colors very quickly. But this is nice like as a time pass stretchy thing, and you can also give it as a gift or the stuffers. You see all these different colors like the yellow, and this all comes in this pack and individually wrapped. Overall, these are really a nice stretchy lizards that can be used for multiple purpose, realistic, stretchy, nice material and durable.